Okay, we got a job, not really a job, this one left to us by a customer because we advised them that this one may have a GPU issue, and because of that it's not worth the repair. Remember when batteries came with that? How cool is that? Anyway, I'll show you the problem quickly. Alright, power on. This one, Samsung, it's got an AMD ATI Radeon 4000 something, I believe it was. Maybe not, maybe 5000 something. Oh, it's already rebooted. Okay. Yeah, right. I did make a BIOS change. So I'll show you the problem. Yo! I'll just hide the files. Yeah. Yeah, because it's raining, and the wheels can't spin under the rain. It's wet and the wheels. Okay, I'm coming. Wait. Okay, beautiful rose. I'm gonna open Word document. Yeah. Go. There we go. Stop. Look at the wheel. Look at the wheel. Look at the wheel. Look. Turn around. Turn your head around the other way. Yeah, look down. Yeah, he's stuck. And you have to go sideways. You have to go sideways. Turn left. Yeah, more left. Yeah, there we go. See? And then turn right. Okay, so I'm going to open WinWord Ready, which is a Word application. For some reason that activates the graphic card. And I'll just show you the graphic card before we let it crash. It's good we can repeat the problem. I've replaced the RAM and it was the same issue. So display adapters, ATI and Mobility Radeon HD 5400. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Run WinWord. Opening up. Ready, set, it's gonna crash. Blue screen. Bring it closer. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Oh, there we go. Bad pull header.
Mommy, this one is wet now.
Which one's wet?
This one is wet now.
It's okay. It's okay to be wet. Yeah. Alright.
Daddy.
Yeah, mate.
Ooh. Now happy to you.
What? Happy birthday.
Wow.
Whose birthday, mate?
It's nice, but it's like
Alright. Let's quickly disassemble this unit. I won't have time to do this job today. I'll start on it partially. There we go. This one's going to be more of an experience for me because I want to be able to get into reballing. fighting. Yep, that's fine. Hey now, look, you can play with him, don't play with him. Leave him alone. Time to go down here. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. It's very wet. Go inside, buddy. Go inside, buddy. Alright, this is the Wi-Fi cables. Alright, no more screws. Okay, there we go. Don't push. Abu's waiting inside, go. Go. How are you two? Go. Hey Gavin. Oh yeah. Android WebView UI or something similar needs an update. They have a bug in that current version. Yeah, and it did automatic update in the background. That caused the problems. Anyway, but yeah, that's what he did, and he advised me to do the same, and it worked. Yeah. Yeah. He googled it. Had a look. I should have googled it too, but I knew it will get fixed automatically overnight with the automatic updates, you know. But anyway, that's the fix for it. It's an Android issue. Yeah. Yeah. No worries, mate. Okay. Have a good one. Take care. Bye bye. All right. Oh, they like to do crying. And then they get sweets and goodies. Very clever kids. And nobody hit them either, it's just angry at each other. Okay, let's take this out. Shit, okay. That's a much cleaner, easier layout to work than that HP that I just worked on a little earlier. It's a good idea to remove the memory card. Okay, the memory card reader bit. Okay, So problem is hiding there most likely. Still moist after so many years. Okay, that's the GPU. That's the GPU RAM. Not sure, maybe we need to reflow the memory modules, not the GPU itself. That's the PCH, as we can see. Bad pool usually means memory, in my opinion, and I think that could be related to memory more than the GPU itself. But GPU, this GPU has known issues as well. What we will do, I think, is test it out on reflow the GPU first for about a minute, I think, 200 degrees. Maybe a minute and a half, just to get those balls going a little bit, and then we'll do a test. If it's still the same, then we'll reflow the memory modules, and hopefully that capacitor there won't explode. Maybe we can put a foil around there. Look at that, such a simple design. So why did Samsung get out of laptops? Very nice, very easy to work with. That's probably the BIOS. Okay. So this model, the DC jack is on the board. And power button. Is over there. Yeah, we can easily put it back and do a test later on. Okay. Anyway, we'll continue the video tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, we got more time. And heat is the issue that killed this guy, I suspect. Model Bremen 2, like ramen 2. Koreans, they love their noodle. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.